Hello, wonderful people. I bring you to my garden once again. And remember that this is hidden wisdom in nature. Now, today, I want you to realize something in life, or I want to draw your attention to something in life. If you look at this plant here, you see, you realize that it has a thorn on it. You get it? It has a thorn. That's the base all the way up. It has a thorn in it. And if you look at this plant that is closer to it, you realize that this one, there is hole here, and this one too, a hole has been created here. Now, it is as a result of this plant because, as you can see, we've used a stick to raise it a bit. Initially, it was down. In fact, it was on this flower. So the thorns on this one penetrated it, and it has caused this hole in here. So as far as these two plants are closer, you realize that this one would never like this one. Never. Why? Because it discomforts this one, or it has become a thorn on its flesh. So there is no way this plant will like this one. And this one will also say that, well, for the fact that you doesn't like me, doesn't mean I shouldn't bring the good things in me out. Besides, that is my nature. There is nothing I can do about it. Are you getting the point? So this one will never like this. But the question is there something that no one else or no other plants or no other animal can ever like about this plant? Even the owner of it, or we being human being, planted this one. Do you think there is nothing special about this one? That is why we planted it. Because this one doesn't like it. No. But let me blow your mind here. Despite it being a thorn on the flesh of this one, let us come out to see something. You see a very beautiful flower it has raised. Have you seen a very beautiful flower it has raised? Very, very beautiful. Have a look at it. You see that this flower, I believe that if nothing at all, because of its reddish nature of flower it has brought out, birds will be attracted to it, and birds will come closer to it. You see? So despite the fact that it has become a torment to this red one down here, it has something unique about itself that will attract somebody else or something else closer to itself. Now, what is the wisdom here? Now, in life, we come across many people, but the truth is that for the fact that something about somebody is causing you not to like him or her, there is some uniqueness about that same person that is attracting others towards him or her. Is it not amazing that somebody may see you dislike you. Probably he has seen some aspect of you that doesn't really correspond to what he or she like and dislike in life. But you, the same person too, there is that uniqueness of you that will cause others to really come closer, or that will attract others to you. This is amazing one. So please, those who hate us, for the fact that there is something about us that you don't like, doesn't mean that there is nothing good in us that we cannot bring it out. It's just a matter of time. Time will expose the goodness aspect of everybody. So if today we meet and I am so bad, please remember and have it in mind that the time is coming. There is a good aspect of me that will attract others towards me. So please, don't just judge me by the day, but give me time. And you see that there is goodness aspect of me that will attract countless number of people towards my life. Remember, this is a hidden wisdom in nature brought to you by Kennedy. Thank you very much. Bye bye.